here, Cars in Tillsonburg. Just thought we'd show you one of our future projects, the one we got coming up. We bought this about a year ago off of a farmer down by Langton. He'd had the truck pretty well since it was new. Unfortunately, he had a little mishap with the front end. He left it in neutral and it rolled down the hill and smashed into his tractor. Now, not funny, but funny. He had to put a front end off of a bus on it, but that's why it looks a little funny. But what we've actually done is went and bought the correct front end to fit. It's a C60 front end. We have it stored over there. It's right to match up the fenders, and it looks a lot better with the wheels and the axles that we got underneath the truck. It is an original 1968 GMC C60 and has a 327 rebuilt, completely rebuilt, has less than 8,000 miles on the engine. The thing runs like a top. We brought it home and it was a long frame, had a dump box on it. We took the dump box off and the boys in the shop chopped the frame, gusseted it, fish plated it. It is welded, it'll last. It's stronger than it ever was even when it came from the factory. Shortened the drive shaft. We did all this stuff in-house ourselves. We bought this box from Bill's truck shop down in Oshawa, I think it is. We're gonna have put extended fenders on the back here to cover up these wheels because the DOT, we've driven this thing all over the place. We threw the dealer plate on it and we drive it downtown, and let me tell you, you come around a corner and people are hanging out of their vehicle to see this thing, and it's sort of cool because you pull up beside a transport truck and you can almost look the driver in the eye, you know. So it's a real good conversation piece. It has the original 5 and 2, it's a 5-speed transmission with a 2-speed rear end. It's the old low range transmission with the bull low in it. We're going to take that out. We're putting an 86 5-speed out of a full-size Chevy pickup truck. So we're going to do all the body work. We're going to pretty it up real good, and this will be a project that as soon as we get done the Chevelle project, then we'll be going into this, maybe even sooner, because boys in the shop are anxious to get at this one. So we'll try to keep you posted on it, and we look forward to showing you the finished product when it's done, but we will keep you up to date as we do things, okay? Now remember to like us on Facebook. So thanks for watching.